This 4L60E transmission is a used transmission that was brought by the owner, and he wanted just put inside of his vehicle. What I'm going to do is change the filter, change the front pump seal. But there's something else I'm going to change on here, which is that internal wire harness. And the reason I'm going to change the internal wire harness is because if you look inside there, you will see oil. Let's see if we can see it. See that oil inside there? Okay. There's oil in there. Now, the only way that oil can get inside this part, which is on the outside, it's from the inside, right here. Right there. And when oil gets inside these connectors, and the connector that goes actually inside of that connector, it can cause weird electrical codes and cause problems. So the only way to stop that is you have to change that that internal wire harness. Okay, so if you see this, you see oil inside there like that, don't reuse that wire harness. Get another wire harness and put inside.